As we know, place value can be a bit tricky concept to master for young minds. In this video, we are going to look at how place value disk will help students make the connection between number system and the language. So let's get started with the simple numbers using the number disk. Let's suppose we start with the number 1, 5, 15. Now we make a place value table here and write ones in the first column and tens in the second. Now we place our 5 under ones and we place 5 one disk, our colored round disk, so learners have a visual representation of 5 ones, and this model will help them connect what 5 ones really means, like this. Now we write our 1 here under tens and we place a 110 disk here under this. We let the learners perform this activity with their own hand so they will understand how to write the expanded form. This is only the standard form. But when they have to write in the expanded form, learners will have a model here to look at. So we know this numbers is written in a standard form. Now when the learner will look at this, they will understand how to write it in expanded form. That is 10 plus 5. Now we show another number, let's suppose 24, 2, 4, 24, and display like this, or ask learner to display on its own. Now we ask student what is the value of 2 in the tens place. So we can count how many tens we have in the under tens place. It is 10 and 10. 2 tens make 20. Now they will get to know that 2 tens and the value is 20. So now it is, and its expanded form will be 20 plus 4, which makes 24. Now we can go further and ask our learners to represent these 1, 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers in our place value table. First our number is 4, which is a 1 digit number. We'll place 4 1 number disk in our ones column like this. Our second number is a 2 digit number, which is 25. So here 5 ones place has 5. We'll add one more disk here, and tens has 2. So we add 2 10 disk here. Now our third number is a 3 digit number, which is 136. Here 6 is one place, so we'll add another 1 here and add 3 here. And since we have 1 in 100th place, we add only 100 number disk. Now our last number is a 4 digit number. Here we have 7 in ones place, so we'll add another 1 here. But we have 2 in tens place, so we'll remove 1 10 disk from here. And we have 0 in 100 place. This means we have nothing to display here. And lastly we have 1 in thousands place, so we'll add a 1000 number disk here. When students finally understand the value of the numbers in the place value chart, They will understand the concept of place value and they will have a strong foundation for more advanced math work including addition, multiplication, fraction and decimal.